Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix the Instagram not working error. Now, to do this, there are two steps I'm going to show you in this video. You can do whichever seems easy to you. So the first step is to uninstall the app and install it again. Now to do that, it's very easy. To uninstall Instagram, firstly find the Instagram app on your phone and just long press it and then click on the delete option on the Instagram tab. Now, after you have uninstalled this application, you can just open up the Play Store app and then click on the search bar and then search for Instagram. Now, once you search for Instagram, you'll see the Instagram app and you can just install it. Now, you can also use this method to see if your app is updated or not, and if it's not updated, just click on this update button to make the app up to date. Now the final step is to clear all the excess data and all the excess cache from your Instagram application. Now to do this, it's very easy. Just go to settings on your phone. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now after you've scrolled down and click on the apps option, just click on the all apps button. Now you can just find the Instagram app by scrolling down, or you can just search it by clicking here and then searching for Instagram. Now once you have found Instagram, click on the application. Now there are three options on your screen: open, uninstall or force stop. You can uninstall your app from here too. Just click on the force stop button once. Once you've done this, click on the storage and cache option. Now click on the clear cache button. After you've done that, just clear all the apps from your phone and then open up Instagram and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. I hope this video has given you some easy steps on how you can fix this error, and don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.